out here, Mountain Creek, New Jersey. Gonna do some snowboarding today. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Hopefully we don't bust our ass too much today. If we do, it should be a pretty entertaining video for you guys. So enjoy, everyone.
These are heavy.
Look at this person. Oh man, it is fucking freezing here, bro.
Do they have a rover? Do they have a rover that comes get you? Like someone that comes out like a rover? Is there someone that helps us?
See, watch this guy. Watch this guy right here. You see that? Slow going wide and
Incredible.
Look, we'll come over here and see where it's like kind of quiet. We'll figure it out.
this is like a hurdle.
Why are we at the first? I want to go the lowest. Florida girls don't necessarily.
So, run one on the bunny slope. I'm gonna grade it about a 6 out of 10 so far. The girls are slowly starting to get it.
Not really. No.
Super foggy conditions out here today. A lot of ice, honestly. A lot of the ice is a lot of the snow, artificial snow. So really hard if you're trying to learn out here. You're really just kind of skating on top of the ice. You're not really cutting through any sort of snow. Also, I'm sorry if you can't hear me, I'm wearing a mask. But yeah, guys, we're out here, Mountain Creek. Oh yeah, let me fill you guys in. So first run of the day, we actually brought the girls on a black diamond. So that was an accident, so kind of traumatized them basically. A little bit of a PTSD right now. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. So trying to convince the girls to give this another shot. Holy shit, here she goes. Not bad, not bad. Okay. 7.5 out of 10. Not bad. Alright, so Wifey just ate it. She's over there catching her breath right now. Yeah, like I was saying, it's super icy conditions today, so it's real rough for any sort of beginner out here. Again, Mountain Creek in New Jersey, 2021, beginning of the season basically. We out here, Florida boy, snowboarding. You know how we do. Enjoy. Hopefully no one gets hurt. So far we've been pretty lucky. Oh man. So this little cafeteria area inside the resort, cafeteria over here, little food dining room over here. Still COVID restrictions, so you know, a lot of it's like closed. You can really only come in here to pick up food and to use the restroom. So walk back out. Rentals right over there. Looks beautiful out here. You can see bunny slopes, rentals. Give you guys a quick little walk around over here. So that's what it's like so far. Just a quick little walk around. I'll show you guys the front of it as well. So this is the lower level down here where you go to get your bindings and boots and all that. The girls have given up, unfortunately. So it's just gonna be me and Tom riding for the rest of the day. Alright everyone, so that's going to do it for this one. Time to sit by the fire and defrost a little bit. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button. That's something I always appreciate, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.